Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we're going to go ahead on our Mazda 3 here and talk about how you remove the window. So number one, you've got to lower the window down to these little access ports. I've got the one popped off. We'll get the other one popped off here. Just a little screwdriver, get under there, pop it off. And that way we get access to the two bolts that hold the window in. So you can remove those two bolts. Now the way you get this to go down is so we've removed the door, the inner door panel. But with that door panel removed, then the window regulator doesn't go down. So the way you can do that is you hook the cables back up, but you hold the door panel away, and you pop this cover, and then you lower the window down until you can see the bolt in that access port. Then you just undo those two bolts, and then we can pull the whole window out. And then once the window's out, then that's how we can be able to get the window regulator and all of that, those other pieces out. So let's go ahead and remove the window. So with those two bolts removed, you can now pull up the window. You bring it to a slight angle, and you can pull the whole window out. Stuck in the weather stripping, I guess. Like that. And you just remove the window for all the other access. That's how you remove your window on your Mazda 3. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.